All that shit down now. You know, come get that dumpster. Take these motherfucking studs down next. Down. All this shit gone. Stacked it up. So tired of looking at this shit every day I pull over. Every day I pull up. Fucking leaning ass fucking fence. No more fucking leaning. It look better with the fence down than it do when it's fucking up leaning. Shit. We gonna get it together. Slowly but surely. You know? Knock all these fucking trees down. Take them studs down, put some new ones up. We gonna get it together. Why is it, how many is that? So if you count panels, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I mean, or it's like a half of one for right here. So it's really 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 panels.